If you're not a fan of lace wigs and you need a wig with no lace that requires no leave out or minimal leave out, easy to wear, easy to take out, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this lovely hair from CurlsCurls. They sent over their kinky curly seamless V-Part wig. One cool thing about this wig, you guys are going to see it in this video, and I'm also going to be sharing my pros and cons. You know I always do that with any wig review I do, so stay tuned for that. This is the hair, this is how it came. My first impression about the hair was, okay, this is really soft, and I also noticed there's an elastic band which you can attach to the wig to keep it secure on your hair. Now to the wig. This is a seamless V-Part wig like I mentioned earlier. As you can see, there are no wefts showing. The cool thing about this hair is this is what a classic V-Part wig looks like to my right, and to the left is what this wig looks like. It covers up any wefts that shows. So if you're someone who loves V-Part wig and you don't like the wefts showing, the upgraded version of the V-Part wig is definitely for you. The wig comes with 2 combs on the sides and 1 at the back. It also comes with a drawstring that you can use to fit your hair. So if you do not want to use the headband, you can definitely use the drawstring, and it can also go into a ponytail. How cool is this wig? Now to my braiding pattern. You guys know my braiding patterns are never neat, but what I did was I have 4 big braids going to the back, and I also have some leave out sections just because I'm indecisive, and I thought to myself, you know what, I wouldn't want to take down my braids again in case I want to have a leave out. So I just decided to make flat twist leave out and crochet them into the braid. The front part of the hair comes with 5 clips, or do I call them combs, that you attach to your hair. So this just helps the wig stay secure. So what happens is you place the wig on your hair, and then you take it to where you want your part to be, and you attach the combs to it and lock the comb. So it's just not like the ones that come on the sides. These ones are the ones you can like lock down, so even if the wind blows, it's like holding on to your hair. Your hair is not moving anywhere. I've attached one part of the, you know, the V-part parting to my hair, and you guys can see how it looks. You guys just take a look at this. Look at this. I also realized after the video that you can use a bobby pin to, you know, help the part stay secure on your scalp and it doesn't move as well, even though the combs are doing a good job. But just for the hair to not move and show the combs, you can use a bobby pin, and also for maximum security. So I'm going to attach the other side, and you guys would see what it looks like. One of my favorite feature about this wig, which is also a pro for me, is the drawstring. Guys, I can tell you I've tried a V-part or U-part wig that did not fit into my hair because my braiding pattern was too big and it could not really fit, so it was tight on my head. But with the drawstring, you can make it fit regardless of what size of head you have. And this is what the hair looks like. You can see it just is full, it's beautiful. You can also twist the closure part. I just forgot to do that, or I forgot to show you guys. You can use a rat tail comb, the comb part, and just twist it so it looks more natural. Now I'm just adding water just for the curls to pop. As you can see, I'm not using any product yet, just to show you guys what the product look, or what the hair looks like with just water. If you add the bobby pins to the closure part, I'm telling you, this thing would look seamless. When I tried it after the video, I was like, what? It already looks seamless now, but when you add the bobby pins, girl, I'm telling you, try it and let me know. This is what the hair looks like. It's sitting pretty on my hair. It looks beautiful, it looks nice, but as you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of the middle part. I still love this middle part. It looks nice, and you can see the movement of the hair, like with no products in, guys. With no products in, it just looks so beautiful. As you know, I'm not a huge fan of middle parts, so I decided let me create a side part with minimal leave out, or showing you guys minimal leave out. As you can see, the amount of leave out I have, it's like it's very tiny. Okay, it's a very tiny piece, but I'm going to attach it on my hair. And as you guys see, this wig is very versatile, which is also a pro. It's versatile. You can style it as a middle part, you can style it as a side part, so that's just, you know, perfect if you're someone who does not like middle part and you would rather style your hair as a side part. For me, I know that curly hairs look better on side part with my head shape, I guess. So you guys should just do what works for you. The only thing I can say is a con for me so far is just be careful while placing the combs. Well, it's not really a con, I would just give it as an advice. Careful while placing the combs so it doesn't pull on your hair. Another pro I had was the drawstring, which I mentioned earlier. It depends on what part you are, wherever your part is, side part, middle part, you can still use the drawstring to secure this wig on your hair. It's just a good feature and it's something I like. And I also did not use the headband for this installation just because I felt the drawstring was going to do whatever it needed to do. When I blend the leave out and I've placed the wig to where I want it to be, I'm then going to go in with my spray bottle that has water in it, and then I'm going to use this mousse. I would prefer to use a different mousse, but this was the only one I had at home, so I mean we have to work with what we have. So I'm just going to apply that on my hair and twist it. If you want your curls to pop, like if you have a curly wig and you want your curls to pop, there's this particular brush I've seen people use. I do not have it. I think I'm going to buy it because what that brush does, I'm just like, wow, I need to get this, or I need to get my hands on this. But anyways, you can still achieve like a curly look, or you can still achieve curls with this wig without having the brush, which I'm showing you guys. When I'm done twisting the hair and I've gone to change, I'm ready for, you know, wherever I'm going, I will then take out the twist. The twist is not dry, but I'm going to use a blow dryer, so that's going to work. But the trick with the blow dryer is not just to use the blow dryer with the normal head. I would say you should use the diffusing head. I think it's called diffusing head. You know, the one that's round like that. Yes. So what I'm doing is I'm just going in from under into the hair to make sure the hair gets dry. Make sure the hair gets dry. Okay, that's how you're going to see the curls pop if you do not have the brush. But this is a very nice trick I learned, and I think it works. I think it works because you guys are going to see it at the end of this video that it actually truly does work. So I'm going to do that all over the hair to make sure it's completely dry, and you guys will see the final result. I'm just going to quickly go over my pros and cons for this wig. The first one is the movement of the hair and the softness. It's a very soft, it's soft to touch. It also moves. You guys will see when I'm done. I'm going to show you guys the movement. It moves really well and it's not just stiff on your hair. The next thing I will say is the weft showing. You don't have any weft showing. It's covered up, so even if you want leave out, you don't want leave out, you just want to style your hair, it's definitely something you can do. One of my favorite pros about this wig is the drawstring and the headband. It helps fit all head size, so even if you don't have a tiny head, don't worry, this wig is going to fit you because my head is not tiny in any way. And it's also versatile. You can wear it as a middle part or a side part, which is great. The only con I think I had was just being careful with the combs. I mean, that's not really a con because it's a comb, it's there to secure your hair, but you just have to be careful so you don't pull on your hair. Regardless of that, I absolutely like this wig. I love it. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. You guys can see how curly it is. You can see how easy it was to wear and how well it blends with the natural hair, or how well your natural hair can blend with the wig. So it's just a very beautiful wig. Let me know what your thoughts are. I think this hair is beautiful. I think it's nice. It's easy to style. You can also create other types of style, low bun, whatever style you want to create with this wig, and you can also cut it to fit your face shape. So it's all about what you want. So this is the final look. This is what it looks like. I have cut it to the shape I want. This is the movement I was talking about. Regardless of me using mousse, it still has that movement. I absolutely love this hair, especially just for the fact that you don't have to worry about any weft showing, even if you have leave out or not. And as you can see, it blends so well with my hair. So I've come to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this hair. Would you try it out? All of the details about this hair that you need to have is going to be in the description box, so make sure you check it out for the link and every other thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.